Pero kung
Kanina nung
mag-work-
sinabi sa'yo na good kisser ka ni James, parang medyo na ano ka, nagulat ka. Anong naisip mo that time?
Well, I didn't think
Na
that he
parang
would
ang galing-galing
say
mo.
that. No, actually, naisip ko pa, I didn't think that he would say that in front of a lot of
Oo,
people. So, nagulat ako.
Hindi ka naman
niya.
na-offend or na ano?
No, it's okay.
Nadine, how do you assess your actress? Paano mo i-assess yung pagiging artista mo ngayon? Is nag-improve ba? Or
Yung
paano?
acting.
My acting, yes, it totally did. Kasi, I mean, I've had lots of practice na, unlike before. I had Bagets and P.S. I Love You before, which is also a drama series with another network naman po. But then, noon kasi medyo baguhan pa lang ako. So, I'm not that, parang wala pa masyadong experience. Parang as my career goes, parang nadadagdagan yung experience ko. It's like that.
Meron ka pa bang parang part na nahihirapan sa acting, sa pag-iyak?
Actually, sa pag-iyak, nahihirapan ako. Kasi I'm the type of person na when something happens, like, nadamdamin ko, in real life, I take it out kagad. So, when it comes to time na may scene na wala akong baon. Pero it works naman po.
Nadine, anong feeling na parang ang daming artista pero ikaw nabibigyan ka talaga ng break, lead role pa? So,
Yeah.
anong...
I feel very thankful and blessed. Kasi yun nga po, like what you said, maraming mas magaling sa akin, maraming mas maganda, and yet, I'm here, I have another movie, tapos ang daming projects na dumarating, yun po, I feel really blessed.
Hindi naman pressure sa'yo, no? Kasi bago ulit.
Medyo pressure po, syempre. Since, yun nga po, DNP was a huge success. Ito, syempre, people are expecting na magiging successful din, like tayo rin ng pangit. But yun nga po, we're very confident na it will be really successful.
Nadine, ano yung